Alright, in this video I'm going to cover our new Society 6 integration for Merch Titans automation and also show you how to set up your Society 6 settings and go over a few more key important things to know. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Merch Titans automation app, and as you can see over in the left side menu you have Society 6 now. Over here you can turn it on or off. So I'm only going to focus on Society 6 in this video, so I'm going to disable all the other platforms. And you can find your Society 6 settings right here from the left menu. But I'm going to go select a spreadsheet first. So what you would do here in this case is go home, go to upload XLSX file, and then upload in the top right corner. So I'm going to come here and find my spreadsheet. Let's see. This one will do. I've been using this for testing some designs for the last couple days to Society 6. So I have my image path, the title, description, tags. That's all you need for Society 6. So I'm going to go back and then click on Society 6 here. So a few things to know with our first integration to Society 6, the one we're releasing today. We're only supporting products that will work with a 4500 by 5400 pixel design. So keep that in mind when you're uploading to Society 6. So we have all the products that will allow that type of design. And if you scroll down, you can enable, check all, uncheck all, or individually select which products you want to upload to. So I'll do that in just a minute here. If you scroll down, you got the category. I'm going to do graphic design. And then you have your clothing color options here. So let's go ahead and start at the top. So save login. So what this means, if you check it, the first time you go to Society 6, it'll prompt you for your username and password. If you have save login checked, all you have to do is do that once, and then it'll cache your login information locally on your computer so that each time you start the app, you don't have to log in to Society 6 over and over and over. If you have another account and maybe you want to log into a different account down the road, you can reset the login right here anytime you like. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the products. I'm going to go ahead and just enable the posters and skip through most of these. Let's go coasters and stationery cards, and of course the shirts and clothing here. Maybe I'd like the travel mug too. So everything looks good there. I always recommend that you upload a few designs to Society 6 manually so you get a feel for how everything works. It'll make understanding our app and our settings much easier. So with that being said, I got my products that I want enabled. I'm going to go down to the t-shirt colors here and enable the colors that I would like for this particular design. So it's as easy as this. And then the tank top settings here. Go all of them here. Now we got these settings adjusted exactly how we want. The next step is advanced settings. By default, if you're using our layout for your spreadsheet, it'll already map the title, description, and tags perfectly. But in any case you're using a custom spreadsheet, you need to make sure your title column, description column, and tags column are mapped. So you can click down here and see what you need to do. By just clicking that, you can see all the columns from the spreadsheet. So we got the title, description, and tags mapped. We're good to go. Now I'm going to go back to home. And I have Society 6 enabled, so I simply just need to click Start, hit Start Upload, and it'll launch Society 6 through Chromium. I'm already logged in, but if this is your first time, it's going to ask you to input your login information. Once you do that, if you click Save Login, it'll cache that information so you don't have to log in anymore. But as you can see, I'm not doing anything, and our automation software is taking over. It's inputting the title, it uploaded the design. It's going through the process, so it's going to disable all the products here, and then it'll go through each product that we have enabled and adjust the resizing, etc. perfectly. And another thing to keep in mind with the resizing, again, this is only for 4500 by 5400 pixel designs, so we adjust the resizing so it fits as best as possible on each product, and eventually will allow you to kind of control the resizing percentage, but for now, keep in mind that we control that based on the 4500 by 5400 pixel design. So I'll go ahead and let you watch this as it goes through each product. can see it's resizing them all, saving them, and moving on to the next product. And if you've ever uploaded manually to Society 6, it's really time consuming. It takes forever to go through each of these products and adjust everything. So automation is going to be really beneficial for you. And I'm happy we could finally get our Society 6 integration done, at least the first version of it. We're going to update it more over time so that you can enable all products and use larger designs with larger pixels. All right, it's down to the stationary card, adjusting that look there. And if you only wanted to upload the t-shirts or clothing, for instance, you could just enable those inside the app, and you'd be good to go. Your uploads would be a lot quicker. If you wanted to only upload the stickers, you could do that, but I recommend with these type of designs, maybe you do your clothing, your stickers, your mugs, like the travel mug and things like that. Be more of the popular products. You can see it's selecting the right colors here. It's adjusting the scale and saving it and moving on to the next product. So the settings are really simple to set up. There's not much to know there other than what I just covered. And when this is done, you can see it selected the category, and now it's inputting the tags. And in cases where you have a tag that's too long, we built some error handling there, so it'll remove that as it just did. That'll put in the description. It'll save it and then publish it, and then it'll loop over to the next design in your spreadsheet, and it'll go until your entire spreadsheet is complete. So I'll let you see it publish this real quick. All right, so that's done. You see the status changed to published. Has everything in there. Everything looks good. All the enabled products look great. Now it's moving on to the next design. And it'll go through your entire spreadsheet until it is complete. So what you could do is you actually can minimize Chromium, go back to your computer and do work. You can see over here on the Manage page that this product is published. Now we got the 25 uploading, and you got the entire spreadsheet here. So if you ever need to come back to that Manage page, you can go home and go to Upload Status. You can see your spreadsheet name here. You can click on the Manage Uploads and come back here at any given time. So if you ever want to stop uploads, all you have to do is exit Chromium, and that'll stop the uploads right where it is. You come back to this Manage page and see exactly which designs are published. You can uncheck Finished here, which will uncheck the published designs, and then click Start again. And you can even go back to Home and select more than one spreadsheet. So you can select another spreadsheet and start uploads for, let's say, different designs to Society 6. And then come back to the upload status, and you'd have your spreadsheet names here. And you'll be able to manage both of them simultaneously and actually run both of them at the same time. So that is how that works. But I believe that's it for Society 6. You can see it's just going to roll through and upload all these designs for me on complete autopilot using automation. So that would be it for this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to support@merchtitans.com. You can send us an email or use our live chat on our website. But that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.